Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing this get ready with me makeup look. So for a casual day out with my friends. So this is the first moisturizer I'm using. This is from Avanam. This is the first thing it's going on my skin. It's very important you have to prep your skin before makeup. So after that I have used that Avodum serum only on my under eye. Next I am using this Dermaco niacinamide serum only on my pigmented areas and my acne marks and my pores. And I know guys, I'm not uploading videos regularly because I took a break from YouTube. So now I'm back. So apply it all over your face and wherever you have acne marks and scars. Next, it's very important to apply a sunscreen. So I'm using all over my face and neck. Whenever you're stepping out from the home, please do wear a sunscreen. It might be 30 SPF or 50 SPF. So I'm applying on my cheeks, all over my face basically. As you can see, this is not that too expensive, but it's very affordable. You can definitely try it out. Next, I'm using this Faces Canada Mousse Liquid Foundation, blush. So I'm using it on my cheeks, like the apple of my cheeks and the nose area because I need that very flushed natural look. So I don't often use this because it has some sheen to it because I don't like it. So but I'm using for this look. This has light tint highlighting effect in it. It's like a little glittery, but I can manage it for today. Next I'm using a concealer. Basically I don't have a concealer with me. I'm using my foundation and my primer and my moisturizing mixed. I have customized my concealer. If you have a foundation, you can definitely use it as a concealer. Then I'm taking a lipstick and I just applying on my eyelids for the nice pinky rosy effect on my eyelids. This lipstick is from NY Bay in the shade Lean On. So this is the trick guys, if you don't have an eyeshadow, you can use your lipstick as your eyeshadow, and if you have blush also, you can use the blush as an eyeshadow. You can multi-purpose it. Next, I'm taking a pink eyeshadow. I'm just placing it over my lipstick, the cream base, very slightly. It's very important to always be presentable. Next, I'm using this blush. As you can see, the blush, I have almost hit the pan. Next, I'm going to use my all-time favorite kajal. It's from Faces Canada Gel Intense Kajal. So I'm just lining in my waterline. I love to apply kajal. If you're a person who doesn't like to apply kajal, you can definitely do as per your choice, like applying winged eyeliner or even simply with the mascara. You can definitely go on. This is my kind of style, so I'm doing it. So after applying the kajal, I'm a little bit smudging because I don't want my kajal to be smudged out. And I'm just taking the kajal, I'm just taking it to the outer corner, just a little flick in the outside so that it looks very good like an eyeliner type. I took this video for so long, like more than 1 month, but I couldn't upload because my exams were going on and so many stuff were going on. So regrets for that. So almost done, completed with my eye. With the same kajal, I'm just taking whatever it's in my lower waterline. I'm just taking that a little bit and just applying a little bit of eyeliner kind of thing. And almost my eyes are completed. Only the mascara and the eyebrows are left. So So I'm just smudging a little bit and don't want the exact eyeliner look. So I'm just smudging it as my preferred choice. I don't decide my makeup before. Whatever comes in my mind on that time, I do that. So after that, I'm using this Face Shop mascara. This is one of my most favorite mascaras. I'm a person kind of a thing like one kajal gets over, I buy another one. Like that only I buy one mascara at a time. Then I complete that. Then only I buy go for next mascara, because mascaras are like dry so well. So mascara is completely done. Don't forget your lower waterline, because lower waterline makes your lashes so well. Many persons forget their lower waterline, so make sure you complete that and your eye look will be fuller. My hair is completely wet, so you can know like my hair is super wet right now. So next I'm filling my eyebrows with an eyeshadow palette only. You don't need to buy an eye pencil for an eyebrow, and you can definitely use whatever you have. It's not necessary what are the products I'm using, you have to use it. Whatever you have with you, go with it. Then I'm using a lipstick. This is from L18, very subtle nude color. So I'm wearing a chicken curry kurta, like very slight pink color. So the makeup should not be bold. So I'm using very mild colors on my face. So I'm not playing with colors today. So this is the very muted, nude, pinky makeup look. Then with the help of a lip liner, I'm just filling my lips. And yeah guys, lipstick is done. I'm taking a highlighting shade and just I'm popping it in my inner corner, like inner 1/3 of the area, so that it looks very nice. So I thought that time only, so why not, let's try it. So yeah guys, this was my finished complete look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll mention the name so you can follow it.